Hey everyone. So I kept seeing people claim they're unlocking free items on Temu using these free gift codes. Some say it works instantly, some say it's fake, some say it only works for new users. So instead of guessing, I decided to test it myself. And not just once, multiple attempts, different sessions, real usage. Before I share what actually happened, I've put the latest Temu free gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes I found still active. Here's exactly what I did. No tricks, no hacks, no weird methods. I used Temu the way a normal person would. Opened the app, logged into an account, tried entering free gift codes, tried activating offers, tried different entry flows, because that's what most of you are doing too. First attempt, nothing happened. I entered a free gift code directly inside the app. Result? Nothing. No free gift screen, no reward flow, no confirmation, just normal browsing. And this is where most people quit and say, see, fake. But I didn't stop there. Second attempt, changed one thing. Instead of jumping straight into Temu, I clicked the promotional entry link first, then opened the app, and suddenly, free gift interface appeared. Reward tracker showed up. Tasks became visible. Same account, same device, different outcome. What this proved: the code itself wasn't the real problem. The entry sequence was. Temu didn't treat my first attempt as part of a free gift promotion. But when I entered through the correct flow, everything behaved differently. Why people get confused? Because from the user perspective, you enter a code. Nothing happens, looks broken, feels fake. But Temu often expects the promotion to be triggered before the code logic activates. And most videos never explain this clearly. The real takeaway. After testing this multiple times, here's the honest truth. Yes, free gift rewards can appear. Yes, codes can work. No, entering randomly doesn't always trigger it. The setup/order matters more than people think. So, if you've tried a Temu free gift code before and it didn't work, try again using the code on screen, but this time, use the link first, then open Temu, then follow the flow. Small difference, huge impact. And if it works for you, comment what item you unlocked. I am genuinely curious what results you get.